Guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia here, and I'm out in Denellen, Florida, and I have this really cool, awesome car. Check this out. 1959 Studebaker American, Lark. It's a NASCAR clone or replica.
The NASCAR specifications.
It's built to NASCAR specifications.
Resting, needs rocker panels, needs bottom door repair. Price-wise, I want $5,500 for it.
Okay, so Mr. Jewett is asking $5,500 for this car, as is. Alright guys, for all you NASCAR fans, this is actually a replica of a Harold Smith 1959 Studebaker Lark number 69. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Any comments down below, you can reach me at 631-620-1046. Again, 631-620-1046. You can grab yourself that 1959 Studebaker Lark. Have a great day.